Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box. I'm so excited to unbox this, guys. Be sure to check out the comment section and description box down below to go ahead and order your beautiful, awesome ritual witchy box today. I just love their boxes, guys. The value that you get for your money is insane and I'm just so excited to open this, guys. It was my first day back to work with the new normal going on and to go ahead and get the subscription box. I'm so happy to open it up, and it's my birthday month. My birthday just passed. I turned 22, so thank you for the birthday gift, Witch's Moon, and let's get into the box. So it's cute. There's a little info sheet, guys, and the tarot card for the month that I got for my personal reading. Let's see what the theme for this month is, because I always forget. It's called Sacred and Shadow is the theme for this month's box, guys. It's each day we work to become more connected with our purpose through ritual and practice. This journey requires the honest immersion of spirit into the shadows so that we may absorb the light. Self-transformation and ascension come from a deep willingness to face fears and make realizations regarding our current reality. As we confront and work through our personal characteristics and tendencies, we break down walls, allowing us to gain strength and sharpen abilities to overcome obstacles. These practices bring our intentions into real manifestations. In this very special collection, we work with both the shadow self and light body to bring victorious energy into our practices and craft. And it's super sweet. There's a little disclaimer to let you know everyone's path is different. Use your intuition and your spiritual team to help you use these tools and make your beautiful magic. So I'm super excited to open this up, guys. And oh no, my camera battery's dying. I hope it's gonna last for this video, but my tarot card I got was Queen of Nangas, and this tarot card deck, guys, is so beautiful. Look at the wolf. It's like so beautiful, and it's just like, I love this deck. I want to like buy this tarot deck. Queen of Nangas is what I got, and it's so beautiful. I love it. Reminds me of that temple in Thailand. So let's see what else we got, guys. Ooh, we got some really cool stuff. We got some Book of Shadows artwork. We got this place of Cue the Crows when I talk about Book of Shadows artwork. We got this beautiful one with this little spell right here, this little spell one. And then the light body, Lux Corpus Opium Sense. Ooh, so this must be the like herbal mix we're gonna have for the cleansing herbs to burn. And the shadow self. Ooh, so this is all talking about the shadow self. And it's got like the hermit guy from that tarot card deck right here. Ooh, these Book of Shadows artwork are so beautiful, guys. And I can totally see why they made a box for this, because you gotta, you know, if you're on a spiritual path, you gotta deal with all aspects of yourself, and we do have a shadow self that we gotta work with too. Ooh, this is so... No way, guys! Okay, when I tell you get the value for this box, you literally get the value for this box. Like, oh my god, that tarot... I'm just like in awe. That tarot deck, guys, the card I got for this month is so beautiful. This deck is my vibe, my aesthetic. I love it. And you get the tarot deck, guys, and the box is like 58 bucks. Like, the tarot deck alone is like $30, if not more. It doesn't say a price on it, but this Alana Fairchild, guys, when I went on my birthday trip last year to Palm Springs to the Metaphysical Crystal Shop, this author that makes some tarot card decks, they're not cheap. Like, what? This deck is so beautiful, guys, and it's even got a white tiger with all threes on it, which is super neat because my camera battery just died, guys. I had to go run to get another battery, but the necklace I'm wearing too is from the Witch's Bounty box, and they have a jewelry pendant and just cool stuff. It's just such a good value too, so you should check out that box as well. But oh my god, guys, I'm out of breath from running to get the battery, but she's basically known for doing tarot card art, and this deck is really beautiful, and the value already, half of what you paid is already within this tarot deck. It's such a beautiful deck, guys. I just love it. And it's called the White Light Oracle deck, which is so fitting because we're working on our shadow self and our light body. I just love this Witch's Moon. The direction this box is going is awesome. So let's see what else is in here, guys. Ooh, there's some incense cone. And it actually smells really good. It has like a little bit of a perfume scent, but it's really good smelling. So I'm trying to find the part to read it to you guys, and I just found out that we get incense cones, which is awesome, but we also get a little incense cone burner, guys, and it's just so beautiful. It's like so witchy and magical, and it's got a little bit of an Asian vibe, but a little bit of an Egyptian vibe too. I love this incense burner, guys, and this one's not gonna be a big mess to clean up. I have some and it's like really messy. This one is so beautiful. I love it, guys. So you get the instant cones and the little burner. So it's a brass carved instant holder and a resin burner, guys. It says we have included this beautiful brass carved instant burner so that you may burn cone or resin incense while you journey through the shadow self. Place the wooden coaster on the surface you wish to place your burner and set your burner on the small black floral design coaster included. If you wish, you may pour a small amount of sand not included in the burner to catch what falls. Set the screen on top of the burner so that it forms a bowl shape. And oh, this is so cool, guys. So basically you can use rice or sand. You put a little bit in, then you put the charcoal disc on top, then you put your resin, or you can just do a little bit of sand or rice and then the instant cones inside. Oh, this is so cool. I love it, guys. So I guess we're gonna get a little coaster to put it on that's in a rose shape too. And this scent is kind of perfume-like. It's got a little bit of that floral rose, but like a more of a jasmine, a rich scent in there. It smells so good. So let's see what else is in this baby, guys. Looks like we have some star anise, which is amazing because this just represents each element. Very protective, a really good herb to have, guys. And looks like this is the fun little coaster, guys. So this is the little coaster, and then we just go ahead and put the little burner right here. It's like a little mini cauldron. It's so pretty. So that's a little set. And while we're going in here, there is this beautiful sacred salt for your daily, or not daily, or when the phases of the moon, or whenever you want, you can take your cleansing bath. This is Etane sacred salt. This is very beautiful, and it looks like I see some pieces of dried sunflower in here. Oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells like summer. Straight up the scent of summer, and it reminds me a little bit of Lipton tea, like just the normal one. Oh, this smells so good, guys. Just a perfect summer cleanse bath would be amazing right now with everything going on. And it looks like there's something in here, guys. What's in the pouch? It feels like a crystal. What? This is a window crystal, guys. It's like raw, but then right here they made it like they cut a piece off and the lapidary polished it, so it's like a window crystal. And this is totally to help work with your shadow self. I'm just not sure if this is obsidian or like an onyx. Let's see what this baby is. So this is actually an Angi Manite stone, or pearl of fire, guys. This very unique and uncommon stone was originally found in Indonesia. That's super neat. Researchers have since claimed this stone to be rare based on the interesting demand of the stone as well as its limited availability. The name Angi Manite comes from Lord Angi, or the god of fire, said to hold the powers of vitality, charm, and intuition. Known to carry the healing and intuitive energies of the earth within its creation, the pearl of fire is a wonderful stone to meditate with, placing it upon chakra centers that may need stimulation as the stone is presented in its rough form. The side has been smooth and polished so that you may gaze upon its internal energies or simply place upon specific areas of the body. And it's super smooth on that side, guys, so it'd be perfect to have on different parts of you. This very sacred stone was placed within this collection to assist you in opening your psychic sight so that you may dive deeper into the shadow aspects of your soul and heal them. This is so cool, guys. And when I'm talking about it and that fire god, I sense him. He's like behind me. I sense his energy. This is so cool, guys. And I've never heard of this. It's super rare and it's neat. Definitely get some like cosmic energy, and with what's going on in my spiritual journey right now, this stone resonates with me. It's so cool. Looks like there's something else in the box, guys. These are wrapped up. I think this is a candle, like a twin candle. I think it's gonna be white and black or something. Let's see what's in here. I knew it! And these are wrapped really neat, guys. They're like super pretty. It's like a spiral wrap. This is gonna look so cool like on my altar when I do my magic, and it's like yin and yang. This is so beautiful. So your shadow and your light. Perfect to do that sacred healing work, guys. I just love those beeswax candles. They're hand rolled and have the intention to help you with those two things, guys. It's so beautiful. It's a hand-rolled place of partly twin spill candles. We have hand-rolled and charged these candles with the purpose of providing you with a place of parity or a place of recognition for both light and shadow. Before you begin, be sure to create the energy that surrounds you. This can include cleaning, cleansing, and setting the tone for the purposed ritual. We always recommend being comfortable within your space so that you may speak words clearly out loud, enhancing your intentional energy. As you place both candles next to each other while burning, take the time to reflect upon your journey to the shadow aspects of yourself as well as the resulting light body that you continue to work with. Oh, I just love them, guys. Let's open this box up. There's so many cool things. What else is in here? I see some herbs, guys. We have some mustard seed. What? I didn't know mustard seed was in this color. This is a really good herb, guys, to put in vanquishing potions to vanquish evil witches or like some negative entities that are spirits and they're like evil witch energy. This is really good in vanquishing potions. And some mullein herb. Ooh. These are some really witchy herbs, guys. I'm in love with those. I'll read to you guys the meanings too from the paper that they gave me, but oh my god, guys, this box is like awesome. This is the gray anointing oil, which is perfect, white and black mixed together. This smells good, guys, and by the name of that, the scent matches the name. I don't know how to explain it. It smells really good, guys. Let's read what they made this oil for, probably to help balance and work with the light and shadow body. We have created this magical anointing oil with the intention of bringing balance and understanding into your daily perspectives. The gray does not refer to either light or dark, but a combined energy of both. Created to be a space where there are no judgments, this energy is surrounded by new perspectives and observations. We have enchanted the magical anointing oil with sandalwood, clove, and lang lang oils. We have included blue lotus, wild cherry bark, plantain, and cascara bark as well inside your oil. You will find a Lemurian quartz crystal said to personify oneness within your aura. Ooh, guys, the blue lotus in here and some herbs I read. This is a strong little potion right here. I love it, guys. I can't wait to use it. It's so exciting. So what it says about mustard seeds, it's a wonderful protector and strengthener of mental abilities. Mustard seed is a companion during times of introspection. Add mustard seed to your magical sachets for protection and vitality. Very good for protection and getting rid of unwanted energies. I love that herb so much, guys. And the mullein is also a very powerful and noteworthy herb. Mullein carries the energies of courage to those who work with her energies. As you dress your candles, create oils or simply place within magical sachets. Visualize the overwhelming energies of vitality surge through your energetic body. Mullein is a wonderful tool to use during shadow work as it brings a sense of comfort and knowingness while facing more uncomfortable truths. That is so awesome, guys. And I do want to read a little bit about the Oracle deck because that is one of the main things within this box, guys. So what they're saying about the White Light Oracle deck by Alana Fairchild, they're super thrilled to have included this beautiful and recently released White Light Oracle deck by Alana Fairchild, artwork by A. Andrew Gonzalez. Anna Fairchild is a wonderful, renowned spiritual teacher and best-selling author. Since published in 2011, Alana has created over 20 oracle decks, 13 books, and 27 albums of music and meditation. Her work is translated into 2 languages, or it has the 2 looking eyes, so that must mean a lot of languages in the Roman numerals, guys. A. Andrew Gonzalez is internationally renowned transfigurative visionary artist living in France. His works are known for their unique sculpture look and power to move and inspire the viewer. This very unique and inspiring collection of cards has been created upon quality stock and hold deep, powerful, and useful messages and guidance. So the card thickness of the tarot cards, guys, it's good quality. It's not like flimsy. It's definitely quality. You can feel it, and the artwork is really divine. I love the artwork. These messages are accompanied by thorough descriptions of honest and compassionate information, allowing you to step back and look through your life's lens with a new and fresh perspective. The White Light Oracle guides you into the luminous realm of the sacred. The sacred is your heart treasure. It is that which brings light into your life. The sacred is precious to you. It matters enough that you're willing to devote yourself to it, even when that requires courage, sacrifice, and growth. The sacred can be denied and ignored at great personal cost to your well-being. Yet it can never be lost or damaged. Without it, life becomes superficial and we become disconnected, scattered, perhaps even depressed or drive and obsessive. Without connection to the sacred, to the heart, we live in a false self. In such a state, it is not possible to be authentic with ourselves, let alone with others. Super true, guys. We're in an egotistical world. Like, wearing nice things is great, but at the same time, it's just a material item, so totally agree with that. It says, the Oracle decks are a wonderful tool to receive guidance and wisdom, as well as the White Light Oracle. We are reminded of our sacred nature and the connection with the divine white light. We truly hope that the power and wisdom placed within these cards bring you the energy needed to work through transformation and growth. This is amazing, guys. It's a new deck that's just released, and I just love what they're talking about. Like, basically, your divinity, the sacred, like, the divine, the ascended master's God. Like, keeping that, like, spiritual truth in you, like, acknowledging it and owning it. And it's neat, because, like, where I work, it's in the modern world. I'm not working at a metaphysical shop. I'm wearing my suit that I have to wear, but I'm wearing the magical witchy crystal. I'm wearing my silver rings that look new age and kind of trendy, but they have a rainbow moonstone, triple moon goddess, the triquetra. I have rainbow moonstone bracelet on, rainbow moonstone ring, opalite ring. I'm wearing anklets on my feet. I got moldavite in my pocket, so I'm protecting myself. I'm in tune with the divine, and I just love this box, guys. It's honestly so worth the money, and everything in it is amazing, especially to work on your shadow self. I'm so in love with this Witch's Moon box for the month of June, my birthday month. I couldn't be more happy with it. I'm just so ecstatic, guys. Be sure to go ahead and check out the comment section and description box down below so you guys can pick up your magical box too. They release one every month with it being curated with a theme, and it's just so unique, so different, and over time some tools kind of go together. Like in the past they gave us a candle holder that's this gold color and different tools that it kind of all matches, and it's just an awesome box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let them know I sent you, and check out their Instagram as well, at The Witch's Moon on Instagram. And yeah, and like always, guys, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in Goddess Nyx's holy light, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit. May you be blessed and rejuvenated in Goddess Nyx's divine serenity. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified for all my future content. And it was nice filming this video with you guys in our new normal that we have going on. Getting back into the world slowly is neat. And yeah, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.